This Brightline construction update looks at the cut and throw and other associated work that occurred near West Highland Drive on May 1st, 2022. West Highland Drive is located in Cocoa, Florida. Work was focused on the area from just north of West Highland Drive down to Peachtree Street. The purpose of this work was to put a section of the new Eastern Main Line into service and begin the rebuilding of the West Highland Drive crossing. The new main line was built on either side of the existing one, so once the existing one was cut, the new tracks were connected together to become the new Eastern Main Line. The new second main line will eventually be built to the west of this new one. Trains are now shifting to this new track at the CP Cocoa crossovers north of here, so they'll be running on new track for about 2 miles. Work train AFW1 was being staged here at the curve to the north. The old crossing had to be fully demolished since the alignment was changing through it to broaden the curve. So now that the new alignment is in place, work can begin on the new crossing. The old main line will be removed from here south past the existing inland plywood siding, which will also be rebuilt. From there south, the old main line will become the new lead for the Cocoa Rockledge Yard. You can see the turnout for the new yard lead installed here. Another turnout will be installed down here further, so inland plywood can be serviced from the lead instead of the main line. Down by Peachtree Street, a temporary cut and throw was done to connect the new main line back into the old one temporarily until more track is built to the south from here. The new second main line is skeletonized here, waiting to be ballasted and eventually connected sometime in the future. And here's a quick hello to the viewers of the Cocoa virtual Railfan camera. Signal crews were working to install cable that will be used to control this new turnout. Once all this track work is done here, the panel for the second main line will be moved into place so crossing crews can move in to build the new crossing here. And finally, here's AFW1 heading south through the worksite. It had to move through at restricted speed since the new ballast had not been tamped or regulated yet. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.